everyone, imagine you're planning a big event, like a wedding. You wouldn't just send out a vague invitation saying, "Come to our event." You would provide detailed information about the venue, time, dress code, and what to expect. This attention to detail ensures your guests know exactly what's happening and feel excited to attend. In much the same way, a job circular needs to provide clear and detailed information to attract the right candidates. Today, we will explore the essential elements that make an effective job circular. By the end of today's lecture, you should be able to understand the essential components of a job circular, learn how to craft each element to attract suitable candidates, recognize the impact of each component on the overall effectiveness of the job circular. The job title is the first thing candidates see. It needs to be precise and reflective of the job. Instead of marketing guru, use digital marketing specialist. The latter is specific and gives a clear idea of the role. This provides a brief overview of the job and its significance within the company. It should capture the essence of the role and why it matters. We are seeking a dynamic digital marketing specialist to join our team and drive our online presence. This role is crucial in enhancing our brand visibility and engaging our target audience. A detailed list of duties and tasks associated with the job helps candidates understand what will be expected of them. Develop and implement marketing strategies. Manage social media campaigns and content creation. Analyze and report on the performance of marketing initiatives. The qualifications section in a job circular is important because clearly outlining the necessary skills, experience, and education required for the role helps attract candidates who are genuinely qualified. Bachelor's degree in marketing or related field. 3+ years of experience in digital marketing. Proficiency in SEO, SEM, and Google Analytics. Company information is important because providing background on the company and values helps candidates understand if they align with the organization's ethos. XYZ Corporation is a leading tech company known for its innovative solutions and dynamic work environment. We value creativity, teamwork, bias for action, and continuous learning. Clear instructions on how to apply, including deadlines and contact information, ensures that candidates know exactly what to do next. To apply, please send your resume and cover letter to careers@xyzcorp.com by September 30th. Include digital marketing specialist in the subject line. Salary and benefits. If possible, include information about salary range and benefits. This transparency can attract more candidates. Mention whether the job is remote, in office, or hybrid. Specify if the position is full-time, part-time, or contract-based. For further reading, I recommend Recruiting 101, The Fundamentals of Being a Great Recruiter by Steven, for a more detailed overview into recruiting. Make sure to pay attention to detail and present the information in an engaging and clear manner. I look forward to our next lecture. Have a great day.